thought Ghana was hot. My gosh, my second time here, and it's nice. I'm enjoying it. You know, Dubai. Yeah, man. Look at this. Yes, sir. Hello? Hell. Center point. Yeah, man. Blessings. Taz Pro Media here. Yeah, man. Blessings. Taz Pro Media here. With another classical video. You don't know. Welcome to my channel, Taz TV, Unedited. Your tour guide. You know, try for a lot of people might not necessarily know too much about Taz Pro Media, but you know what I mean. We travel, we build content, and you know, do the work of the Father, and put it on YouTube. You understand? And you know, I'm a professional videographer, but one of the things is, I did a video couple of days ago. I see one lovely Empress Mwango, something like that, and you know, she introduced her friend. And I see a lot of you know, a lot of African content creator slash vloggers, blogger, whatever, whichever way you want to call them. Them, you know, take an interest in Jamaica. But I mean, you see, the Jamaica that they're showing is nothing new. Jamaica has always been Jamaica, you know, and you know, a lot of people now start to especially black people, you know, a lot of Africans now late to this quest, because it has always been, Jamaica's always been Jamaica. Jamaica's always been an example. Jamaica's always been leading in a lot of things. You understand? So, you know, I'm a Jamaican first and foremost, proud one, and yeah, man, we have to big up we island. You know, yeah. And when we see people are, you know, a flock to the island in, you know, mesmerized and in astonishment and all these kind of things. You know, you say, yeah, we applaud them for you know, go and get some of the experience of Jamaica, because some of them is just, you know, a lot of prominent YouTubers now start to go down there. And then you have the bad mind one, them in the comment always have something to say. You know what I mean? So even the Empress Mwango, that's right, you know, matter. You know, she do her thing, and you know, me enjoy what she do. I mean, to be honest with you, she actually inspire me, because me as a man, me do a lot of videos over the years, and me have even people on my channel I said to me, say, yo, what go on? They're going quiet, you know. But sometimes you're busy, you know, because like I said, I'm a videographer first, you know, by profession, and so I do paid projects. So you know, a lot of paid projects and stuff like that. So, and then in the process you get content while doing it, but sometimes you don't have the time to, because you always edit and, you know, I do your thing, and you don't have the time to put up a lot of things. I'm gonna show you something today, and you know, and thank you guys that, you know, all the subscribers. I get a lot of subscribers, and you know, big up on yourself, and thanks for subscribing to Taz TV, and welcome, and you know, return is welcome too. And if you have not subscribed yet, please do that, because you don't want to miss nothing. Where me have a lot of things where I put out now, because somebody say something and it make me laugh, because I'm thinking, what? Somebody say something, oh, you have a million comments, say, yeah man, do your thing, bro, do your thing, you know, we love where you the positive thing, because when you see people I do good things, you have to say it. And somebody say, oh, you don't have content of your own. That's why you're talking about the Mwango or something like whatever they say. Some comment. Somebody say, you don't have content of your own. So you think say, what the Mwango doing? Is something new to me? Is something new to me? Okay, cool. So that kind of made me think and say, okay. I mean, like I said, this person, I don't think this person is a Jamaican, because Jamaican people are very proud people. And we love when people talk about our country. When we go anywhere, you see, when you buck up an ex-Jamaican in a foreign country, especially where we're outnumbered, where especially country where they don't really speak English too much. You understand? You find that you go all of Germany, you go all of Russia, you go all some place, and you buck a Jamaican, is like, you go, I mean, look at this place. You see this, look at this place here. This nice scenery in the background where you're looking at. With these people on the boat and this beautiful building. This is Dubai, right? I have content at these places. I've been there a couple of times. And I have content on these places that I've never put out. And this first time I went to Dubai was like 2018. You understand? I'm sure some may have content, and then I went back there in 2022. 22? Yeah, I think it's 2022. See, I have enough content for this. Dubai. Moving on. So when you hear people talking about I'm putting out content, and I must put out content, and I'm only talking about the lady and not putting out my content. I'm like, okay. So me never know, say, nowadays complimenting someone that is in my country, look at people, is a negative. You never see that. And 99.9999% of people that comment is applauding the work, and encouragement to the Empress, because I see, she went and she bring her friend. When she went and bring her friend to Jamaica, you think that not make every Jamaican feel good? Unless a bad mind. But we're not going to feed another negative there. But watch this now. Watch this now. I'm showing you something. Show you some of the works them we do. We are travel, and anywhere we go as Jamaican, this is what we do. When we buck up in our next Jamaican, is serious. Watch this. At the beach once again. I'm not ready to put up that one there yet. Watch this now. Me and some man in a Ghana a reason. This is a Ghana. Yeah. But them not really feel like watch that. Some people don't wear the image, and you don't know how deep they are either. Hold on. So let me get to the point where the man in there. Hold on there. Let me get to the point of me and the man in my reason. When Jamaican meet an ex-Jamaican in a foreign country, this is how we deal. Bless the big man. Yes, everything nice? Yes, no man. I want to tell the ice, I see the hype on the tube, and I tell the brethren when I come say, I two brethren I want to see. At Taz and the eye. Easy. And now I see me come see Taz. Touchable. Cool, man. So, hey, me have to love me Jamaican people. You hear the bat? The bat say, touchable. Touchable. You understand? And as a vlogger and as a person who has tried the earth and meet different cultures and different things, this is a great feeling when you meet somebody who say, boy, I watch it on YouTube long time, blah blah blah. This is Jamaica Village, and boy, I want to meet you and all of these things. This is I mean, come on. This is what we do. Yeah, you see the videos, them? Yeah, man, to the world. Jamaica Village natural there, you know. Yeah, man. Bada boom, bada bang. Bada bang. Yeah, man, the Empress, she introduced me to this this thing, this mushroom thing. Boy, mushroom kebab. It's proper.
Listen,
it's proper.
You won't miss meat. Guys, this one is fine, papa.
Hey, nice.
Yeah.
It's really nice. It's nice.
It's really good though.
Yeah, man.
You know, for persons that eat meat are going through a transitional stage from meat to vegan, the oyster mushroom kebab is the one for you.
Yes, please. And talking about oyster mushroom, let me show you what she's talking about. This is what we are talking about. Look on something. I mean, I tell you, when it comes to food and them something there, Jamaicans, boy, I tell you, they have a gift for food. Listen, watch this. That's the ice. That's the mushroom. I heard it tastes like chicken. Me here say it tastes like chicken. So me I go see if this thing. Remember really to like and subscribe, chicken. Comment, really and share. Like chicken, like really. Yes, and make the channel grow. Show us some have content. Here we go. Join me. Let me say, if it's your first time, make sure you like, subscribe, follow the channel, but support the channel, make it grow. You understand? So, jerk mushroom. There you go. If you just join us, this is jerk mushroom, Jamaica style in Ghana, in Africa. Right, so let me try it. It actually tastes. It tastes pretty good. Wow, jerk. So now, you could have never tell, sir. You can watch the full video still, as I say, the description of the video. Let me go back to the Empress now, where actually a Jamaican again. Look at this. What you actually call it? Jerk mushroom. Why? Which part with that? Ghana? Yeah, Ghana. Ghana. Jamaica village, Ghana. Boy, I tell you, this thing here. On the apple seed. Look at it. Jerk. Oh, you have some. You see? So now, then, after that, now, my reason with the rest of them, Jamaicans and Jamaican buck up in Africa, in a motherland.
Connect them. Easy to come make a living out of their lifestyle. You know, the painter, especially the artists, them we are playing. So, see what the opportunity where I and I we kind of like in the bush, in the out of skirts. The opportunity out the fluid more than in Kuma. And there is something with we when they see Rasta where me not sure me understand it. Everybody, the picnic, the old woman, the old man, the girl, the boy, the woman. There is something when they see Rasta where me not sure me understand it. So the opportunity will lie behind inside of that.
But you know, me not cut up. But just before you move on, that the experience when me get here with Lux, me see highly respect. That's what me get. When me see even from police, when they say, oh, Rasty, and especially if they know say you're not from here, if they know say it's a Jamaican Rast, from the outside. If it's a local Rast, it look like say, that respect they don't get. But sometimes even me stand up and talk to people, and me are the only one with Locks. And I'm me alone them call to Rasty.
Yes.
Yeah, you know, I just said that. I was driving going down to Accra. I'm in my truck.
You're alone and
got these two guys youth in the truck with me. So these local youth come up to the truck and start to sing. You know, and them say Rasty, and the youth I say, I look for me and say, my brother. Not even the president or any of those people don't get this kind of honor here in Ghana. No preacher, none of those.
It's true, man. Me experience that's the truth.
You see, so the thing is, brethren, if Rasta didn't know themselves,
definitely they're lacking something. Is that?
This one I say, if Rasta didn't become churchified and become a religion, Rasta would be leading the way on the continent today.
Yes,
yeah. A question. Based on, I like what that conversation I go because earlier on the way here, I was vlogging and
having a reasoning with my people. And one of the things when I realize when I travel,
it's at the part where
some people
may not drive or go check them and just a reason. And not about like, people who they, dress up. A lot of people who dress up in the African colors and wear and said, them about Africa. But yet still, them never really never step on the motherland. You understand? So it's where we that discuss. But you can watch the video. I will put a link to this video in the description as well.
They're more blacker than me. They're more African than me. They talk about Africa more than even me. But yet still, they portray the image that, boy, yeah man, Marcus Garvey, but a lot of them has never come here. They've never been here. And it's a show because it's a show just to go like 1 week and just to take a couple pictures and say boy.
Yeah, and we can ask him through this video, can even Peter Morgan, before he died, rest in peace. Before he died, he was talking about the same thing. When you make a move, I go Africa, I go Chad, and people look and say, wait, Africa? Why I go Africa? Listen what Peter said.
And Ghana right now is pressuring us to come there. We've already made ourselves a part of Senegal and Gambia. So I mean, look, the population of Jamaica is 3 million people. Yes. The population of Africa is 1.1 billion people. You understand what I say? So if 10% of the population of Africa loves Morgan heritage, that's over 100 million people. I can't walk away from that. And another thing I want to say is the funniest thing is when we fly, we have to go through Europe to go to Africa. And when we fly from Europe to Africa, or even from America, because they do have direct flight.
I want to get the kicker. I want to get the point.
Yeah? We're already there.
You've already set up shop.
We're already there. We're already there. You know what I mean? So it's just being true to yourself, Winfred. You know what I mean?
All right. So is there a timeline on it, Peter?
To be honest with you, we're already there.
Yeah?
We're already there.
You've already set up shop.
We're already there. We're already there. We have received multiple year visas to stay in Kenya. And, Ghana right now is pressuring us to come there. We've already made ourselves a part of Senegal and Gambia. So, I mean, look. The population of Jamaica is 3 million people. Yes. The population of Africa is 1.1 billion people. You understand what I say? So if 10% of the population of Africa loves Morgan heritage, that's over 100 million people. I can't walk away from that. And another thing I want to say is the funniest thing is when we fly, we have to go through Europe to go to Africa. And when we fly from Europe to Africa, or even from America, because they do have direct flights to America, sometimes we are the only black people on the plane, Winfred. In Africa, you have Chinese people, you have people from India, set up them shop there. You understand? And when you see how much foreigners are in Africa, and when we say Africa, we its creators, we came to the Western Hemisphere as slaves.
Same thing like Jamaica.
Now we are the children of the diaspora that need to bring back what we have learned in the diaspora to Africa to bring Africa to that next level. When I'm showing you on TV, you know that about Africa, Winfred. That's about high-rise buildings. Every 5 miles in Nairobi, there is a mall as big as a mall in Miami or a mall in LA. If you go to the Beverly Center in LA, 5 of that there in Nairobi. You understand me? I talk malls with stores with Louis Vuitton, Fendi, any brand name something you want to know. Everything is there in Africa. The highways are no less than 5-6 lane highways each side. Them drive Mercedes-Benz and Range Rover for taxi in Africa. You understand me? I say so. America has already been there. Africa is now getting ready to go there. You have people from America that are leaving America, setting up their establishments in Africa because Africa is the new frontier.
And you are going to be part of that.
We have to. To be honest with you, we as black people from the West, we're a little late. Yes. Because the Europeans and the white Americans are already in there, rooted already. You understand? So there's only just a little bit more time left for us if we have the interest to be a part of Africa as being the next frontier of the world. You know what I mean? So the door is open to anyone that wants to be a part of it. Right. But just know we nah give up Jamaica. Yeah. We say brand Jamaica. I want Africa, brand Jamaica, we say.
So you'll be based in Kenya? You'll be based in Kenya?
For now, it's Kenya. Yeah. It's Nairobi, Kenya.
And congrats are in order.
Yeah, man. So you find, say, this is what Peter said. You understand? That, you know, you have to travel the world. Him do a song called, you know, the last time, you know, I did a video with them on my Virgin show, Mixmaster J. The album where they put out, there's a song on it I like called See the World. I love that song there, by Morgan Heritage. And so I scrolled through some videos and basically, hold on 1 second. So this.
But them not really feel like that. Some people don't wear the image.
No, that's not it. Right. This see this video here? This, hold on, stop the ad. And this video is the one
watching this Empress channel and, you know.
Look at this video, yeah? This video is the one
you understand?
I did, and the person said, I put up this Empress video. Yes, like this beautiful Empress video. I put a video of them up and if me have content for myself. So I say, okay, cool. By showing love to this Empress, it's a bother. And like I said, a lot of our own people, YouTubers in Africa, bash her, but in August, as I go, when you do the work, some people are going to always have something to say. You understand? This is one video I see she did that I like it. See this video here?
Hey guys, wagwan. Hope you all doing well. Welcome back to my channel once more. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. In case you're new here, welcome. My name is Dee Mwango from Kenya, Mama Africa, and welcome to Jamaica, the land that we all love.
You hear that? The land that we all love. Watch this now. She's there with her friend, them other YouTubers as well. And
big up on yourself, you know.
That is it. So guys, welcome back to Portland. So I've really missed swimming in the rivers and everything. So stay around and let me take you along, guys. Stay tuned. It's going to be big. It's going to be lit today. Let's do this. Esther, guys, Esther has a YouTube channel. Good news. Good news. Esther, big up yourself and tell them your YouTube channel. Esther Campbell.
At Divine Esther.
Yeah. Guys, I'll leave the link in the description because I promised to buy Esther a GoPro because she's really such a good friend that I made in Jamaica and I want her to be like Dee Mwango. I'm gonna get her a cup.
You see, this girl, me I tell you, hear what she said? She go buy her a GoPro for she join the work. Make she can able to do her own thing. And you tell me, say, listen, you can't stop me from talk. This girl, good somebody.
Camera, and maybe in the next destination that I'll be going after Jamaica, we're gonna be going with her. I want to see her success.
See, that's what I talk about. Somebody who's willing to help somebody. Somebody is willing to help somebody. I need to paraphrase.
It's easy to make your words clearer and more concise.
You know the tingle. Guys, anybody who hangs around me, you know what it is. So soon. And also I'm here with Sean Arwa. All the way from Kenya. That is it.
Look on this side.
Trust me.
Chow, this whole advert business.
Yeah. D? Yeah, go.
I'm gonna go watch it. See it. Cook, Riverside cooking. Riverside cooking.
Honestly, There are certain things you need the masculine energy. I don't know, that's my thinking.
One thing I can tell you, is that once Jamaican people love you, you're loved. Trust me. Once Jamaican people love you and respect you, trust me, they will help you. At 100%. They don't care where you come from. You understand? But we Jamaican, we are very, it's only a Jamaican can really criticize Jamaicans. If you're not Jamaican, don't criticize Jamaican. Trust me. Where you could have been a best friend. When you start against Jamaica now, we turn enemy. You understand? Jamaican people are lovely. But only Jamaican can criticize Jamaica. And the next Jamaican don't really say nothing. And himself, he might feel or him feel, but he just leave it. But if you're a different somebody and you go say something, that them say, dog, name your supper. But when them love you, them love you. When we love you, as Jamaican, trust me, we help you no matter what. You understand? And the Empress here have the same spirit. Love it.
Wow. So, Colors, what are you going to cook this in the dumplings?
Yeah.
Coconut dumplings.
Right, and some for the rice and peas.
Some for the rice and peas. Wow. Today is the day, guys. It's the Mwango wedding in Jamaica.
You see, when it comes to cooking, when it comes to food, there's no other nation in the world can touch Jamaica. None. I don't care who the guy. I don't care where you come from. When it comes to food, beverages like mixing juices and all of that kind of thing with all different fruits and stuff like that. None like Jamaica. You know what? Now I'll get into this. I'll show you something. I'll show you one of my video. I've done this video years ago. I was in Jamaica. I never ever put it out. I'll show you something. Watch this. At the beach once again. I'm gonna put my phone in my pocket. And then lose my phone today. Hello family, how y'all doing? Okay. Mr. Sardine, how you doing, sir? See, people live at the beach, at the water. It's a beautiful day. Lord, thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for everything. Thank you for joy and pain. It's a beautiful day. Yeah. We can't sing the song because me I tell you, it's that kind of something there. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's a beautiful day. Yeah. That's it. Wow, the wave. Oh, yeah, I came here a couple of days. See that video, yeah? I done it a while back. You know, couple of years. About a year ago. I done it in Jamaica. And listen exactly what I say. Listen to this. And the wave, the wave was proper, like aggressive. But calm down now. Calm down a lot. Water feel nice. Look at this. Water feel nice. Water feel nice. My gosh. Let's enjoy that video. Yeah. Enjoy. How can you not love this place? Highest quality me I play it at.
Water is just nice. You know, I heard somebody say, can you imagine wake up one morning and realize you're not Jamaican anymore? Can you imagine that? Can you imagine waking up one morning and in that wide awakening, in that horrible awakening, realize you're not Jamaican anymore? That would be a...
No, but think about that though. Can you imagine just wake up one morning and realize you're not Jamaican? What a nightmare that would be. Whoa.
Scary, scary scene. It would devastate me. I can't imagine that. Wake up one day and you realize I'm Japanese or I'm Taiwanese. Is that the nationality? Taiwanese? Or Vietnamese or Russian? Or even something else. Boy, look at this. It's a beautiful day. Right here in the beautiful coast of Jamaica. Sun and sea. Look at the mountain, the hill, the apartments, villas on the hill over there. All of this. It's beautiful.
Fast forward this video. Listen to this.
Ghana, right here from the beautiful island of Jamaica. This is where we are. This is where it's at. 9:30 in the morning on the beach. This is beautiful. This is lovely. I mean, my brother and my cousin over there, so the rest of my family them over there, so them everywhere. You understand? So we come out here. We're gonna sit here and really get some inspiration from this beautiful space. Yeah. We're gonna hang out for the day because this is what I love about Jamaica. And there's nowhere else you can go in the world. I've been to many, many countries and there's none like this one. There's none when it comes to like certain activities where entertainment is concerned, food and drink is concerned, homemade. When I talk about the processed food, we talk about homemade food is the best in the world you can get right here in Jamaica. You can't get nowhere in the world. Jerk chicken, fried chicken, curry chicken, stew chicken, roast chicken, fish, same fried fish, roast fish, jerk fish, all of that. You understand? When it comes to peanut porridge, plantain porridge, banana porridge, oats porridge, cornmeal porridge, mint tea.
And saying this to say this, right, is when you actually watch the Empress, right? I'm sitting down and I laugh to myself and I say, wow. I say, I've done these videos. It's inspiring to see what she's doing because I've done these videos years. I have loads of videos. Like I said, the background there, I have loads of videos of different countries. Even in Turkey, I have some proper videos for Turkey as well. And just to name a few. And when you see the Empress, you know, I live our best life and I enjoy herself, you know, it's really inspiring, you know. So even when the person says about content and things, oh, come on, please.
Chocolate, name it all. Pineapple bulla, ginger bulla, all of these things you cannot get nowhere else with the same quality, the same quality. When you look at how people here deal with food is I keep telling you, is something else. I remember, like, subscribe, share, you know, add to the channel, make the channel grow. I know I haven't been consistent because I have a lot of videos. I have loads of videos. That I have so much videos even in Ghana that I haven't posted. And I really need to start to post the videos in Africa. You know what I mean? I have loads of videos here in Jamaica as well. Trust me, I have enough video from the area. I'm going to give you some area shot around here, some drone shot. You know what I mean? Because one of the reasons why you haven't seen much drone footages because I put my drone on the floor and I was trying to calibrate it. I left it on the floor and I was walking and in the room and step back and step on the propeller. So I had to order a propeller, 4 propellers from Amazon in Miami. So my brother ordered it and them send it. It take 2 weeks. Them say because of the 4th of July, make it end up take longer than it really should. It should take a week, but it take 2 weeks. So I got it last night. Got the propellers last night, so I'm gonna fly the drone. I thought I was gonna, you know, leave here without taking any footages. But thank God me can able, look at the water. Thank God me can able to, I will be able to take some drone footages up here. So I'm gonna stay in tune. I'm gonna go to some pretty landscape at Jamaica. You understand? With the drone. So look out for that. Like I say, you know, I step on the drone, so I'm gonna show you how this place is nice. Sorry I never get to shoot some of the places I went to in Jamaica. I've been, never get to shoot some of them because the drone was down. Drone down. But the propeller them fresh now and ready to go. So enjoy the footages.
Yeah, man, that me I talk about. So, you know, it's just to show you just a snip at the iceberg of what to come. I have loads of videos. I have even these ones where you're watching at the screen right now. I have loads of videos in Dubai. You know what I mean? Show you share experience and world travel, world citizen. But anyway, like and subscribe. Like I said, tell a friend to tell a friend. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And this is your boy, Taz TV, Taz Pro Media. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself every time. Enjoy. Don't let nobody take your joy. Enjoy life. The greatest gift of God is life to man. Blessed.